Disable cellular data saver. Hey guys, how are you? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. In this updated video, I show you the step-by-step guide for you to disable your cell phone's data saver or data saver, and the process, folks, is very smooth. So let's go. The first step is for you to enter your device's settings. I'm going to click here on settings. Then guys, you're going to click here on the network and internet option. Network and internet. Here, folks, you will look for the advanced option down here. So here, folks, will be the option of data saver or data saver. You will click here on this option. And here, guys, you're going to disable this feature by clicking here on this option. So you have learned how to disable data saver or data saver on your Android phone. Guys, did you do it? Put it below in the comments. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos. I'll stop here, guys. A big hug. Stay with God. Thanks.